Today I am reviewing the weBoost Home MultiRoom Cell Phone Signal Booster. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever stood in the middle of your kitchen or basement, waving your phone in the air like a magic wand just to get a single bar of service, you know how frustrating modern connectivity can be. I have spent the last month living with the weBoost Home MultiRoom, and I want to tell you exactly how it performs in the real world, because it is not the magic bullet everyone claims it to be, but it is a genuine problem solver if your setup is right. When I first unboxed this, I was a little intimidated by the amount of hardware. You have the external antenna, the internal booster, the cabling, and the indoor antenna. This is not a plug-and-play device you just set on a shelf. It requires a commitment to installation. You have to mount an antenna outside, run a cable through a wall or window, and then find the right spot for the indoor unit. If you are not comfortable drilling holes or running cables through your attic or along your siding, you might find the setup process genuinely exhausting. However, once I got it dialed in, the difference in my home office was night and day. The biggest strength of this system is its ability to take a weak, unusable signal from outside and actually make it functional inside. Before I installed this, I was lucky to get 1 bar of LTE in my back room, and 5G was non-existent. After getting the external antenna pointed toward the nearest tower using the weBoost app, I jumped from a shaky 1 bar to a solid 3 bars of 5G. It is not just about the bars on the screen, though. My video calls stopped dropping, and I could finally stream high-definition video without that constant, agonizing buffering wheel. If you are curious about the current pricing or want to check out the technical specs for your specific home layout, you can find the links below this video. Now, let us talk about the weaknesses, because this is where the marketing often glosses over reality. First off, this thing is pricey. It is an investment, not a cheap gadget. If you live in an area where there is absolutely zero signal outside your house, this booster cannot create a signal out of thin air. It needs something to work with. If you have 0 bars outside, this device will not help you. It is designed to amplify what is already there. If you are in a complete dead zone with no detectable signal from any carrier, save your money, because you'll be disappointed. Another point of contention is the coverage area. The box claims up to 5,000 square feet, but that is under perfect, lab-tested conditions with an open floor plan and a very strong signal coming in from the street. In my home, with standard interior walls, the effective range was closer to 2 or 3 rooms. If you have a massive multi-story house with thick concrete or brick walls, you're not going to get seamless coverage in every single corner. It is best suited for the rooms where you actually spend your time, like a home office or a living room. The weBoost app is a nice touch for the installation process. It helps you locate the nearest cell tower, which is the most critical part of the whole setup. If you aim your outside antenna incorrectly, you are essentially boosting noise instead of a signal, and you will see zero improvement.
Take your time with that step.
I spent about an hour just rotating the external antenna by small degrees until I found the sweet spot. It is tedious, but it is the difference between this working perfectly or not working at all. I also want to mention that this works with all carriers simultaneously. My partner uses a different carrier than I do, and we both saw an immediate improvement in our data speeds and call quality. That is a massive advantage if you have guests over or a household split between different providers. You do not need to buy separate boosters for each phone plan. Who should avoid this? If you are a renter who cannot mount an antenna on your roof or drill through your exterior walls, this is going to be a nightmare to install. You would be better off looking into Wi-Fi calling features on your phone or a different type of signal solution. Also, if you already have a strong, reliable signal from your carrier, you are not going to see any benefit here. This is a tool for people who have a specific problem with dead spots, not a general performance upgrade for people who already have full bars. For those who do fit the target demographic, the value proposition is solid. If your work depends on reliable internet or you need to be reachable for emergency calls, the cost of the unit is easily justified by the peace of mind. It feels like a professional-grade piece of hardware, not a cheap plastic toy, and the fact that it is FCC-approved gives me confidence that it is not going to interfere with local networks or cause issues with my carrier. At the end of the day, the weBoost Home MultiRoom is a high-performance tool that requires a bit of sweat equity to get working correctly. It is not a magic box that fixes everything instantly, but if you have a weak signal outside and a dead zone inside, it is one of the most effective solutions on the market. Just make sure you are prepared to spend an afternoon installing it properly. If you want to dive deeper into the details or check the current pricing, feel free to check the links below. It is a genuine improvement for a specific set of problems, and for me, it turned a frustrating home office into a fully connected workspace.